Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zoho app on your mobile. First, download the Zoho app from your device's App Store, whether it's the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and log in using your existing Zoho account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your key information and accessible features. Navigating the Zoho mobile app is intuitive. You'll find a convenient navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, allowing you to switch between different modules like CRM, Mail, or Books with a single tap. For settings and your profile, look for the menu icon, usually in the top corner. Don't forget the powerful search bar to quickly locate any specific data or records you need within the app. The Zoho mobile app empowers you to perform essential tasks efficiently. You can effortlessly create new records, like adding a new contact, lead, or task, directly from your phone. Updating existing information, such as a client's details or a project's status, is simple and quick. Plus, many Zoho apps offer in-app collaboration tools, allowing you to communicate with team members and share updates seamlessly. To optimize your Zoho mobile experience, consider customizing your app. You can personalize your dashboard widgets to display the most relevant information for your daily tasks. Setting up push notifications will ensure you receive important alerts and updates promptly. Remember to sync your data regularly, especially if working offline, to keep all your information current and accessible across devices. This ensures a smooth workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.